Hi, everyone. Today we're going to talk about adjectives that compare. Now, we know that an adjective is a word that describes a noun. So remember, a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. So, for example, Senora Connolly is a noun. Mrs. Connolly is a noun. I'm a person. Okay, so an adjective is something that describes our noun. So Miss Connolly is short. That's an adjective. Short is an adjective. It's talking about how tall Miss Connolly is. Okay, so it says you can use an adjective to make a comparison. One is not as tall as Kate. So in this sentence, Juan is a noun and Kate is a noun because they're people. So we're talking about Juan and comparing him to Kate. So we're saying Juan is not as tall as Kate. So Juan is tall, but Kate is more tall. She's taller. Okay, so tall is the adjective that is comparing Juan and Kate. You can also change the form of the adjective to make a comparison. So here's Juan, here's Kate. So we might add ER to tall when we're talking about how Kate is taller than Juan. Okay, so for example, tall plus ER is taller. Kate is taller, more tall than Juan. Short, which is an adjective, plus ER makes shorter. So Juan is not as tall as Kate. He's shorter. He's short. Más pequeña de Kate. Often you can use more than one adjective. So, más adjetivos de uno para esta frase. So, Kate is taller, describing Kate, than Juan. So, she's using than to show you who Kate is taller than. So, Kate is taller than Juan. Juan is shorter than Kate. So when we compare, we have our adjective. Then we have to talk about then and then the other options. So Juan, taller than Kate. Now let's try it. So on this worksheet, in this spot, we're going to use Cami. So we're going to open with Cami so that we can fill this in. So once we open Cami, we're going to write a key. So click this and black, and then 2 clicks. There you go. Okay, then I'm going to put number 1. Blank is bigger, longer, shorter, smaller, or taller than blank. So for example, Miss Connolly. And then because I'm one person, I'm going to use is. Is shorter than Mr. Cook. Right? And I'm going to move this over here so it doesn't look funky. Okay? Period. Este es un frase comparing Miss Connolly and Mr. Cook. Dos nouns. 2 nouns. So Miss Connolly is shorter than Mr. Cook. If I want to use más personas de uno, Miss Connolly and Mrs. Scarangelli are. Cuando solamente uno, necesito is. Cuando hay más personas de uno, necesito are. See? So when more than one person, we use are. When there's only one person, we use is. Okay, so Miss Scarangelli and Miss Connolly are taller than Mrs. Rubin. Down here, we're going to circle the one that makes sense. So you need to write tres más, número dos, número tres, número cuatro, y número cinco that you make up. Down here, we're going to circle. So I can highlight which one I want, and I'm going to use orange. So Alberto is tall or taller. My friend Kim is even tall or taller than Alberto. Rachel is short or shorter than Alberto. She is very short or shorter, but her feet are big or bigger than Kim's. So let's do the first one and then you will do the rest. Alberto is tall or taller. Now, we're not talking about another person. Solamente una persona. So no es taller because that needs two people. So tall. Oops, I'm going to go ahead and circle it in green. There we go. ¿Necesitas todos los otros frases? You need to do that. Okay? ¿Tienes preguntas? Email Miss Connolly. Have a great day.